Hey folks, Mike here from Ollie, and today we're talking about WordPress 7.0, the first major version since 2022 and easily one of the most foundational releases in years. There's a ton packed into this release, more than we can cover in this video, but let's focus on the features that are actually going to change how you build websites, especially if you're building with Ollie. Let's get into it. 7.0 introduces the WPAI Client API and a new connector screen, letting you plug in providers like Anthropic, OpenAI, or Gemini directly into your site. WordPress isn't shipping its own AI assistant. Instead, it's building the infrastructure for AI to integrate natively with WordPress. This is going to be a monumental shift in the future direction of the platform. Ollie AI is built right on top of this emerging infrastructure. You can discover patterns with natural language, rewrite content on the fly with our new AI content rewrite feature, connect agents like Claude or Cursor to build pages, and tap into the full Ollie design system through AI. Patterns are the heart of how we build with Ollie, so any change here matters. In 7.0, WordPress adds a new content-only editing mode for patterns. When enabled, clicking into a pattern lets you swap text, change images, and update links. But the design controls stay locked down so you can't accidentally break your design. This feature is helpful if you're handing off sites to clients or content teams who just need to update copy without worrying about the layout. We've added a toggle in the Preferences panel where you can turn the feature on and off as needed. In this release, you can now customize the mobile menu overlay with blocks. You can drop in patterns, change layouts, and customize the design with ease. And if you're already using Ollie, you get beautiful menu patterns out of the box. Just click a pre-made design, customize it, and hit publish. You can show or hide any block based on whether someone's on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Got a section that you want to swap out on mobile? Block visibility can handle that. You can find the hide menu both on the toolbar and the list view. This pairs perfectly with Ollie Pro's responsive design controls. Between the two, you can dial in your design for every screen size. You can now drop custom CSS directly on any block from the advanced panel. No more bouncing between blocks and global styles to wire up classes for one-off tweaks. This is great for quick fixes, but if you want to build a real, reusable styling system, Ollie's Class Manager is still the move. Class Manager gives you a proper interface for creating, organizing, and applying classes across your whole site, with pseudo-states like hover and focus built right in. Use the new per block CSS for one-offs, and use Class Manager for anything you want to reuse. Revisions are now actually visual. You get a timeline slider, color-coded changes, and you can see exactly what was added, removed, or modified between versions. No more squinting at raw HTML trying to figure out what changed. For agencies and content teams, this will be a huge time saver. Add a little visual interest to your content with the new icon block. You can drop an icon anywhere on your site, pick from the built-in library, and style it like any other block. Colors, sizes, backgrounds. The initial release doesn't support third-party icon libraries yet, but that's planned for 7.1. The new Breadcrumbs block automatically generates a path from your homepage down to whatever page someone's on, and it handles archives, search results, and 404s out of the box. You can style the separator and tweak the alignment just like any other block. There's a new dedicated fonts page under Appearance where you can install fonts from Google, upload your own, and manage variants in one place. It's a nice upgrade from digging through global styles every time. If you don't want to dig through a bunch of fonts, Ollie has several high-quality fonts built right in. We've got a new shortcut to quickly navigate throughout your site. Hit the shortcut in the top bar and jump straight to any page, post, or template. This pairs really nicely with Ollie's Keyboard Shortcuts extension, which lets you fly between blocks while you're designing. Alright, that's WordPress 7.0 in a nutshell. There's a clear theme to this release. WordPress is getting more serious as a native site builder, the editor is getting more refined, and the foundation for AI native WordPress has landed. A lot of what's landing in core complements exactly what we're building with Ollie and Ollie AI. The two work better together with every release, and we're going to keep pushing that forward. Visit the official WordPress 7.0 launch page to learn all about the details of this release, and then head on over to olliewp.com to start building with Ollie today. All right, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.